Hello everyone, welcome to Intellify. I am Gunjan and today we are going to discuss the NCERT solution of chapter 10, which is respiration in organisms. So let's get started. So our question says, take 3 test tubes, fill 3/4 of them, each of them with water. Label them as A, B and C. Keep a snail in test tube a water plant in test tube B, and in C, we keep both of them, that is snail and plant. So, which test tube would have the highest concentration of CO2? So the answer to this question is, we all know that when we respire, that is when we inhale oxygen and we exhale CO2, right? So does the snails. So when the snails respire, they release CO2 while respiring. Releasing the CO2 means there will be increase in the concentration of CO2 in the test tube where snails will be present, while we all know that plants consume CO2 to prepare their own food, and they release O2 while during that process. Okay, that is during photosynthesis, they takes up CO2 and releases oxygen. So while that means that in the test tube where plants will be present, the amount of CO2 will be less because plants will consume them for photosynthesis. So in test tube C, where both of them are present, the snail will, what will happen is the snail will release the CO2 while respiring, while the plant will consume the same amount of CO2. So to answer our question, which says which test tube would have the highest concentration of CO2, we can now decipher that the test tube A, in which the snails are present, will contain the highest concentration of CO2. That's it for today. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.